Hello friends, I am Sandeep Ranjan. Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial video, today you will learn how to create 3D printable designs from 2D PNG image. So if you are new to my channel, you can hit on subscribe button and also press on bell icon to get the latest updates. So let's get started. Here first of all we have to take a PNG image. So I am using right now Adobe Illustrator software and I have taken the logo of Jaguar. So there are few steps which you have to follow so that you can convert this design into 3D design, and later on if you want to print it, you can print accordingly. So first of all, with the help of selection tool, we will select the design and we'll go on image trace option. Once image trace is done, then we will find here expand button. We have to click on expand, and after that your image will be easy to edit. So now we will just do right click and we will ungroup the elements. So now first of all I want to delete this particular background. So I will delete that. Now I have here my image which is in PNG, and now we have to convert it into SVG file. So right now first of all I will group this particular thing with the help of Ctrl G. Now it is completely grouped. Then we will go to file and we'll go to save as, and now we'll save this file by SVG. So once you will go on save as type, then you can see here SVG option will be available. So I'm just giving the name here Jaguar. So next we have to click on save button, then it will ask certain options. You have to press on OK. So now this particular file is saved in SVG. Now we have to go to Fusion 360. So here is a Fusion 360 and we have to insert SVG file. So we will go to insert option, which is available over here, which you can find. Once you will click on this drop down button, you will find here insert SVG. So we'll select here this particular insert SVG. Then a pop-up will appear where you can click on insert from my computer. So once you will click on that, then you can see your SVG file which you have made. So let's open this file. Now it is asking which plane I want to go for. So I will go with the top side. So done, and let's place here, click on OK. So once we will click here on OK and finish a sketch, then on the top view, once we just scroll it down, then definitely we can see our design over here. So now we have to convert this particular design into 3D design. So right now I don't know what is the measurement and dimensions of this particular design. So let's convert it into 3D. We'll go on extrude and we'll select the outer, then we'll select the inner one, and now I will just increase it with the height of 10 mm and we'll press on OK. So as of now this is my design, and now if I have to check the measurement dimension, so I will go on inspect. Once we'll go on inspect, then we can select a point from where to where I want to check the dimension. So it is showing here somewhere 1838.175 mm. So in this case right now I will scale down the size, because if I will go for the print, it won't have a proper print because it will go beyond the build plate size. So let's scale it down. So for that we will go to modify, and here we will find scale option. So once we will select, then it will show here an arrow and it will ask like how much we have to scale. So let's scale it. So now we can see our design is here. Alright, so if we have to print this particular design, then for that, first of all, we have to create some STL file. So we will be saving this design. We'll go to file. First of all, we will save this design over here in the cloud, and it will ask to give some name. So we'll give the name Jaguar and save it. And now we'll go to file and we'll click on export. Then here you will find STL files option, and I'm just saving it on desktop. So let's change the name Jaguar only. So we'll click on export, and now the file will be saved in couple of minutes. So we can see now here it is complete. So we'll close this particular option. Now we will go to our software Cura, which is used for 3D printing. So right now I will directly open our STL file over here and will prepare it for the printing purpose. So let's select the file. This is my STL file which I have saved right now, and we can see the design is going beyond the build plate size. So no need to worry, we will select the design, and we have a scale option over here. We will scale it so that it should come on our build plate size area. So let's go to the different viewpoint so that it will help us to scale it properly, so that we can utilize the max for the printing purpose. So here we can change the number directly. So let's put over here 10, and yes, we can see that this is here properly came inside the build plate area, but still I want to change the rotation. So to change the rotation, I will just use the rotate, and from here with the help of this particular arrow I will change the rotation so that I can align it diagonally. So here I will keep it like this, and now again I will scale the design. So let's go with the 12. I think it's fine, or we can go with 13 also. Let's try. Yeah, 13 is the perfect one. So this is the biggest size. I think 12 will be the perfect one because it will also have certain area space while printing. So now we will multiply this particular design. So here we'll go to right click and then multiply selected model. So it will ask number. So I want 1, and now we can see here one design is there. So as of now, first of all, let's move this. Let's move it little bit up. We can zoom it, and then we can move it accordingly so that we can align this another design also. So I want to change the direction. I will go to the mirror and I will just flip it accordingly so that now next I can again move it accordingly so that we can fix it for the printing purpose. Let's move it little bit. So now it is coming inside the build plate area. Now let's slice so that we can see how much time it will take to print. So here it is showing 1 hour 49 minutes, 13 gram of PLA will be used, and this is the size dimension which will be consuming over here, like 4.48 meters. So let's preview. So here we can see the preview, that how it will start printing and how it will print the entire design. Alright, so here we have seen first of all how we have saved our SVG file, then after that how we have converted to 3D design, and once our 3D design is ready, then we can completely change it and convert it for printing our designs. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts or queries, you can Put your queries in the comment section. Keep learning, keep watching.